Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make money on Temu affiliate program. So if you want to do this, here in the bottom of the website you will find this affiliate link. So just go to the bottom here and you can get this here affiliate and influencer on a commission. You have to click on it. Once you click on it, here you can see that this event is not available in your region. So if you are from one of the region, then of course you will face this issue. You won't be able to join the affiliate link. But as you can see, the affiliate program is active if you're from Europe. So this is how it's look. And here you can see you can become an influencer programmer, monetize your content, get free products, right? So we will check one by one. So here I will just click on this one first of all, right? And here as you can see here, okay, so this is the latest update. Now okay, I am facing the same issue again because Temu affiliate doesn't work 100%. Now if you want to join this, you have to go and click on join the program. I will just go back because I'm not able to activate this. And here this is affiliate program. If you want to join the influencer program, you can get it. If you're influencer from Instagram or TikTok, then you can join this. So here this video is about affiliates. I will just go and click on affiliate program here. Same thing, I'm facing the same issue again and again. I have tried VPN and other things. So Temu affiliate is not working currently 100%. So this is how it's. If there will be any update, then we will surely make a video on this channel. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.